artificial intelligence, it's everywhere. And I'm not just talking about those robot dogs doing backflips on YouTube. AI is changing the way we work, the way we create, and yeah, even the way we make money. Whether you're a student grinding through finals week, a 9-to-5er looking for a side hustle, or you're just diving headfirst into the world of online business, there's probably an AI tool out there that can help you level up. And in this video, we're going to break down 7 beginner-friendly ways you can start making money online using AI in 2025. We're talking about practical, accessible methods that anyone in the US or the UK can use to start building their own online income stream. So if you're ready to see what AI can really do for you, stick around. Alright, let's kick things off with one of the most popular ways people are using AI to make money online content creation. Now, we've all heard of ChatGPT. It's been impossible to avoid this year. But the thing is, AI writing tools like ChatGPT and Jasper AI aren't just for writing quirky poems or having existential conversations with a computer. These tools are seriously powerful for creating high-quality written content. Think blog posts, marketing copy, social media captions, even scripts for your next YouTube video. And the best part, they can help you do it way faster. Now I know what you're thinking, MKBHD, is AI going to steal my job? Listen, I get it. But the truth is, companies are always going to need fresh content. And with AI, you can deliver that content faster and more efficiently, which means you can take on more clients and boost your income. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are flooded with businesses looking for talented freelance writers. That's where you come in. Use these AI tools to streamline your workflow, pump out top-notch content, and watch the gigs roll in. Oh, and one more pro tip: AI can also help you optimize your content for search engines. That's right. Better SEO means more eyeballs on your work, which translates to more potential clients. It's a win-win. Next up, we're diving into the world of design. Now, I'll be the first to admit, graphic design isn't exactly my forte. But thanks to the power of AI, you don't need to be a Photoshop wizard to create stunning visuals. AI design tools like Canva and Leonardo.ai are changing the game, making it easier than ever for anyone to create professional-looking graphics, even if you can barely draw a stick figure. Think about it. Businesses are constantly on the hunt for eye-catching graphics for their social media, websites, ads, you name it. And with AI, you can tap into that demand without needing years of design school under your belt. Platforms like Etsy and Redbubble are perfect for selling your AI-generated designs as prints, stickers, t-shirt designs, you name it. Or, you can go the freelance route and offer your services directly to businesses. The point is, the barrier to entry for graphic design has never been lower. And with AI by your side, you can create a thriving online business around your own unique designs. Plus, you'll never have to worry about accidentally stretching an image in Photoshop ever again. Trust me, I've been there. Okay, let's talk YouTube. Now, I know what you're thinking. MKBHD, isn't YouTube all about personality? How can AI help me with that? And you're right, authenticity is key on YouTube. But here's the thing, you don't necessarily need to be front and center to build a successful channel. In fact, faceless channels are blowing up right now, and AI is a big reason why. Tools like Pictory are making it incredibly easy to create high-quality videos using AI. We're talking about everything from compiling stock footage and adding music to generating those cool kinetic typography animations you see everywhere. And the best part? You don't need any prior video editing experience. But what about the voiceover, you ask? Well, that's where AI comes in clutch again. Services like 11 Labs can generate incredibly realistic voiceovers in multiple languages. You can even fine-tune the tone and style of the voice to match your brand. So, what kind of faceless channel can you create? The possibilities are pretty much endless. You could do tutorial videos, explainer videos, top 10 lists. The list goes on. The key is to find a niche that interests you and start creating. Once you start building an audience, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and even affiliate marketing. Alright, let's talk about one of the most fascinating and controversial applications of AI art generation. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can AI really create art? And honestly, that's a whole other video, but the short answer is yes. AI tools like Midjourney are capable of generating some truly mind-blowing original artwork. And the craziest part? People are buying it. Now, selling AI-generated art is a whole new world with its own set of rules and platforms. You can mint your creations as NFTs on marketplaces like OpenSea, sell prints and posters on sites like Etsy, or even offer custom digital designs on platforms like Gumroad. The possibilities are pretty much endless. But here's the thing. AI art is still a very new and evolving space. There are a lot of questions about copyright, ownership, and the role of the artist in the creative process. My advice? Do your research, experiment, and find what works for you. And who knows, maybe your AI-generated masterpiece will be the next big thing in the art world. Chapter 5. The AI-powered virtual assistant, your ticket to time freedom. Let's be real for a second. Time is our most valuable asset, and in the online world it often feels like there's never enough of it. That's where becoming a virtual assistant or VA comes in. VAs are in high demand, especially in the US and the UK, where businesses are always looking for talented individuals to help them with tasks like data entry, social media management, customer support, email marketing, the list goes on. And the best part? You can do all of this from anywhere with an internet connection. But here's where AI takes it to the next level. Tools like Zapier and IFTTT can help you automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your time to focus on more strategic, higher-value work. And don't forget about Grammarly, which can help you ensure all your written communication is clear, concise, and error-free. The beauty of being an AI-powered VA is that you can position yourself as an efficiency expert. Businesses love to hear that you can get things done faster and more effectively, and AI gives you the tools to deliver on that promise. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to find VA gigs, or you can reach out to businesses directly and offer your services. Chapter 6. Teach the future online education with an AI assist. Alright, let's talk about one of the most rewarding ways to make money online, sharing your knowledge and expertise through online teaching. Now I know what you're thinking. MKBHD, I don't have a PhD, can I really teach online? And the answer is, absolutely. Platforms like Teachable and Thinkific make it easier than ever to create and sell online courses on virtually any topic you're passionate about. But here's where AI comes in. AI tools can help you with everything from generating course outlines and lesson plans, to creating engaging presentations and even grading assignments. That means you can focus on what you do best, delivering high-quality educational content to your students. And if one-on-one tutoring is more your style, AI can still be a game changer. There are tons of AI-powered educational tools out there that can help you personalize the learning experience for your students and track their progress. The demand for online education is only going to continue to grow, so if you've got a knack for teaching and a passion for sharing your knowledge, this could be the perfect online income stream for you. Chapter 7. Dropshipping 2.0-AI finds the products, you make the sales. Alright, let's wrap things up with a classic online business model that's gotten a serious AI upgrade, dropshipping. Now for those who don't know, dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without actually holding any inventory. When a customer places an order, you simply forward the order details to your supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. It's a great way to start an online business with minimal upfront investment and risk. But here's where AI comes in. Tools like Sell the Trend use AI to analyze market trends and identify products that are about to explode in popularity. That means you can get ahead of the curve and start selling products that are in high demand. And once you've got your products lined up, ChatGPT can help you write compelling product descriptions that convert browsers into buyers. The key to success with dropshipping is to find a niche market and become a trusted source for those customers. And with AI by your side, you can streamline the entire process, from product research to marketing and customer service. So there you have it. 7 beginner-friendly ways you can start making money online using AI in 2025. And the best part? Most of these methods require little to no upfront investment. Whether you're looking for a side hustle to earn some extra cash or you're ready to dive headfirst into the world of online business, AI is your secret weapon. It's all about finding what works for you, experimenting, and never being afraid to learn new things. Which AI-powered side hustle are you most excited to try? Let me know down in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more videos about the future of tech, business, and everything in between.